project Silver Shooter, an E.C.D custom 110 built to our client's exact specification. Silver Shooter is painted in eggshell quantum grey with black accents all round. Silver Shooter sits on 20-inch Kahn Mondale retro wheels with Nitto Grappler tyres and our E.C.D Brembo brakes. This 110 also features a Kahn wide body kit, black steering guard, classic front bumper with daytime running lights, 2 LED spotlights up front and 2 in the rear. Inside, Silver Shooter features a StarTech steering wheel with red stitching and all-American tradition red face gauges. For the seats we have 2 Corbeau heated and ventilated front seats, a Puma 60/40 split mid-row and 4 inward-facing jump seats in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in double diamond Torino salsa and caviar leather stitched together in black. This 110 is powered by our 6.2 litre 565 horsepower LS3 engine. Silver Shooter also features an array of modern conveniences, wireless charging, Bluetooth audio and access to USB ports throughout.